My baby goes to school for the first day.
What's inside with you?
I don't even know who is more excited, me or the boy. Dan, say hello.
Hello.
Dana, where are you going?
Going to the school.
You're going to the school?
Yes.
What are you going to do in school?
I'm 2 rows in the middle, and then I'm going to school.
Yalla. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. See, I'm coming from a charity shop. That's why I'm looking like this. I went to pick up some bits and bobs, and I also went to drop off the children. I went to drop off the children at school, but I just saw this place. I've been passing by this place, and this is like Commonwealth War Graves. We're about to enter cemetery, you guys. So let me show you what I can see. It looks really quiet. It doesn't even look creepy yet. It doesn't look creepy yet.
Somebody's crying, Bolo. Somebody's crying, Bolo. I need you love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Alright guys, so we are back home from the thrift store and the boys have gone to sleep. So I just want to do a quick unboxing slash, haul of what we got at the thrift store. Now I've been to the thrift store a couple of times and I've probably shown you in some of my vlogs, but the strength to just bring out my phone and actually film and vlog in the thrift store is what is giving me a headache. But I will take you guys along and show you how we purchase things or what to even look out for when you go thrifting. Now in the UK, there's what they call upcycling. They take thrifting a whole lot more seriously than where I'm coming from, because in South Africa we used to buy things at thrift stores, but it's on a different level here. So without much talking, let's just get into unboxing what we got at the thrift store. First of all is this obvious this is a full plant or a full arrangement. It comes in a glass bottle and then there's some jelly like thing that has set down here, and it just holds this stem and all of this arrangement in place. Now all of this have been carefully designed, so you don't have to bother about it moving or shifting or even coming off the glass bottle. Now it has gone a bit murky. There's some sediment down here that has started to get cloudy. I'll try to see if I can wash it and just make it bounce back to life and just be a little more bright and less cloudy. So yeah, I've been buying a lot of these things. You see them around my house. I'm very big on decoration and aesthetics. This is something I have not been able to do for years and years because I've had children, but now that they're getting older and wiser, I have the opportunity to actually decorate my house, which I've always wanted to do. So yeah, this is one of the things I bought, and this one was £2.45 for this whole arrangement. Now this has been in someone's house for years and years, and it looks like it's actually quite old, but buying this for £2.50, you guys, and once I'm done with it, or probably after a couple of months, I will be tired of this arrangement and I will take it back to the thrift store. Someone else will buy it, take it to their house, and you know, it's just just how this thing works. So yeah, although these ones at the back I bought on Shein and they have been with me for a couple of months now. So yeah, I'll also talk to you about how I shop for these also on Shein. I always go for the sales. That's how I operate, because we have to be prudent in this UK. Next thing in the basket is this tray, and it is just a simple polka dot, red and white polka dot platter. And I have one of these that I bought from a thrift store, and that one came like Jara. It came as Jara on top of what I had bought at the thrift store, so I didn't really pay for that one. And here is the price. That's £1.50 for this tray, and although it's a little more expensive than I think it's actually worth, I needed a second one. And then I have this basket that is a waste bin basket. This is what it looks like inside, and this was also £1.50. I haven't yet decided if I want to use this as a waste basket or use it as a flower arrangement, because I have some bigger flowers and bigger flower arrangements in the house that I am looking for a vase. So I haven't fully decided really if I want to use this as a waste basket or use it as a pot holder or something like that. Also in the UK, we have shops that are like low cost retail shops, and on the top of that is Primark. Everybody will tell you that Primark is one of the cheapest places to buy things in the UK. And the thrift stores also do thrifting on brand new items. I know some people will also say that thrifting is not for me, I cannot wear or use something that's second hand. Well, that doesn't really apply, because the truth of the matter is some of these things that you get at a thrift store are brand new, like never been worn before. An example of that is this slides that I picked up at a thrift store. Now this is clearly from Primark, and this is the price. This is how much we bought it at the thrift store. This is for £2. Now if you will buy this at Primark, it probably might be around £5 thereabouts. But yeah, slides for £2. And we also picked up some clothing items, and they are all in this bag. First up, we have this belt, and it has this really nice snake skin, or is it this crocodile skin now? It's a very solid belt. It also has this is how it hooks, so there are like holes on here. Probably see them better on this side. Here's the price. I was also £1.50. Next up, because we are approaching winter, I'm starting to stock up on my winter collection or winter clothes, and I got this really oversized, it's like a tunic, so it has this really nice and full turtleneck. It also has really big arms. This is how wide the arm is. Now the price for this one is, now here's the price for this one. Now this was the most expensive thing I got, and honestly it's one of my favorites as well for this haul. And here is what it looks like. So this is a sleeveless jacket, and it has fur inside, which means that it is going to be extremely warm, and it will keep your chest area really warm throughout this season. And it retailed for £5.95, and it is almost like new. Now this is one item that I've always wanted to get. I've always been into fur, but I just didn't think it would look that nice on me, so I bought this. And I also have a cap, or a winter cap, that is also fur like this, and I didn't really have anything to wear with it that would match, but I think I finally found something that I can use with it. So yeah, I'll be trying this out for the winter season. Last but not the least, to prove to you that you can also get brand new items for really ridiculous prices at the thrift store, and it's all about looking and taking your time to go through all of these sections and the racks. I got this, look at it. I got this really nice clutch bag, and this is, I will even tell you the design, and this is the label. This is the label that came with it, and this is it. It is from Atmosphere. and this was sold at Primark for £6, and I bought it for half price really, because this is the stamp that comes with it. This is £2.95, so that's basically like £3, so that's like half the price. This is just packaging and whatnot. So there's a zip here for your money and things like that. It also has this clutch holder that you can choose to use or not use, and yeah, that's what it looks like. So this is brand new, like never been used before. Now all of these items, all but one of these items, were bought at Salvation Army, and Salvation Army is actually quite popular. It's one of the most popular thrift stores across the world, really, like in UK, in the US, also in Canada. I've seen videos of thrift stores purchase from Salvation Army. They have really good collection. They have a wide range of collection as well. So if you're looking for things like pots, pans, kitchenware, clothes, shoes, bags, purses, things like that, you all find them there. And their stores are usually really stocked. They also carry furniture and they deliver as well. So you might want to check them out in the different locations that you're planning to settle in. But this slides we got at Barnados, and I've probably shown you Barnados once or twice in my vlogs. So yeah, this one was really cheap. I'm sure this was around £5 or £6 from Primark, but because it was bought at a thrift store, it retailed for just £2. So today's video is highly sponsored by Proscenic. If you are an OG on the channel, you will know that we have done a collaboration not too long ago regarding their i10 cordless vacuum. So they have sent me a second product, and this is their P11 smart cordless vacuum. Now believe me when I tell you that this is an upgrade from the i10, and in today's video all we're going to be doing is unboxing this amazing product, and I'm going to show you all of the cool functions, tools and extra accessories that come with this particular product. All right, so special thank you to Proscenic for sponsoring us again for yet another collaboration. I hope you guys will click on the link in the description box and purchase your product as well. This is available on Amazon, and if you use my referral code, you also qualify for amazing discounts on their products as well. Now trust me you guys, I'm sure you might be thinking that both products look alike, but trust me, this particular one is a lot more sophisticated. This one comes with a lot more accessories. This one is a smart vacuum cleaner, and it's just a lot more easier to use and follow compared to the i10, in my opinion. Although I'll be doing a separate video comparing both products, this one today is just for the unboxing of this particular Proscenic P11 smart cordless vacuum. Now the setup is quite similar. All you have to do is snip the little bits together, listen out for the click sound, and you are ready to use this particular vacuum. And it is so versatile. It comes with a lot more accessories. It has got amazing suction power, a stronger motor, 3 times power modes. It also comes with multi-stage filtration systems and auto capping modes. It has an LED screen and touch screen controls. The battery lasts longer with 2500 megahertz. It has got quick to charge technology as well as multiple accessories, and it is super lightweight of 1.8 kg. Now one of the things I absolutely love about this particular product is the fact that it uses smart technology that connected to this particular app that is specific for Proscenic products. This is available for downloads for iOS and Android devices. Once you've downloaded this app, all you have to do is connect and find your device, and this just links your account with your particular device. And once it is done synchronizing, you can see all of the functions that come with this particular app. You can monitor the use of your product as well as see other products and services that are available on the Proscenic website. Now for a quick test run of the product, I'm just going to be showing you how easy to set up this particular product is, and it glides so easily on the carpet with the smart carpet technology. and this is what it has sucked up on just the small area that we have tested out. I'm just going to show you how you can decant the canister and clean it up so quickly. And today we're going to be daring ourselves and trying out two separate particles. We are going to be trying out, first of all, semolina. This is a coarse grain and it is kind of grainy and sandy to the touch, and we're going in on the lowest function, and in just 2 passes, you guys, you're going to see how the Proscenic 11 sucks up all of the grains and granules of the semolina particles. And this is the before and after. Look at how easily and how effortlessly this vacuum sucks up all of the grains and granules of the semolina. Now we're just going to decant that in with a second particle, and this is a much finer grain. This is flour, and this is just going to show you how amazing the suction power of this Proscenic 11 is. Now we're just going to be sprinkling a generous amount of that on our carpets, and this is not very far-fetched. If you have children, you know what I'm talking about. Now, these children can surprise you with just about anything, and just to be prepared, we're going in again on the second lowest function, and we're going to be showing you how much of the grains and granules of the flour that this Proscenic P11 is picking up. Now, you will see that the grains and the powder are set into the carpet, and I'm just going to be showing you how you can use yet another tool that comes with this box to clean that up and suck up all of the dust and grime that is left behind from the initial cleanup. Now you're just going to set this up as normal, listen for the click sound, and you're ready to use. Again, we're going in on the lowest setting, and we're just going to run that over the carpet a couple of times, and you are going to see how much of the product has cleaned up. And I'm just going to show you how to decant that with this amazing brush function accessory that comes with this particular product. Now this brush looks very small, but trust me, it gets into all of the nooks and crannies, all of the crevices of this cleaner and canister, and it cleans it out thoroughly. Now we're going to be trying out this amazing tool. This is the mini motorized tool. Now this is an amazing tool that allows you to clean carpets, sofas, beds, and cribs, and it has a grip attachment on the bottom and it glides up and down. Now the setup is very much like normal. You listen out for the click sound and it is ready to use. Again, I'm going in on the lowest setting to show you how much of the suction power is at play here. You go in with a couple of passes, and this is what I was able to pick up in terms of dust mites and lint balls and whatnot. Now this is such an amazing tool, and it is so versatile. It also goes on the rug if you are dead serious about picking up all of the dust particles in your home. Again, the cleanup is just like normal. Go in with that brush cleaning attachment and it will clean up this device so easily. Then the last thing to consider here is the charge function. This is just like any other one. You go in with the charger, it turns red once it's charging and green once it's full. And that is it, you guys. That is how easy it is to set up and install this Proscenic P11 smart cordless vacuum cleaner. I hope you click on the link in the description box, purchase yours, set it up, and use my referral code to qualify for amazing discounts. Alright guys, let's get back to the rest of today's video. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in another vlog. Bye.